How to search messages in Kakaotalk. In this guide, I'll be showing you how to search messages in Kakaotalk. Let's get started. First, open the Kakaotalk application on your device. Now once you open it, tap on chats right here to open the chat section. Now here you can see the search icon right here, tap on it. Now once you tap on search, you can see the search right here. Just search for the person name right here. Okay, once you search for it, tap on search and you will see the person right here, your friend. Now tap on their name. Now in order to search for conversation, all you have to do is go in the chat section right here, tap on it. Now you can see search icon right here, tap on it, search icon. Now from here you can just type in the message and tap on search. You can see it has been highlighted here. This is the message you searched for. Just like this, you can search messages from here. Hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.